Peace and welcome back to the True Clarity Wellness Center YouTube channel. Please like, subscribe, comment, drop something so this algorithm can get us right. Appreciate you. On today's episode, one of many, we are doing the Foundation series. With Foundation series, we want to go through poses that are going to be important for us just starting off. Just the basic poses to feel rooted and grounded. So the root chakra is what we study in yoga, and that correlates with your needing for grounding and security. So the tree pose is going to be great for anybody with heightened sense of anxiety, of worry, or of stress. It can ground you in your own body, ground you in your goals, and ground you in your community. Let's begin step by step. We're going to start with the left foot. So pick all of your toes up off of the ground and put them back down. Pick all of your toes up again and put them down. Okay? Pick all your toes up, and this time, starting with the big toe, go one by one, placing them down. You want to feel the entire mat, the entire floor, the entire ground, wherever you're at, the same way that a tree has its roots and they are connected in a system, so can you have your roots connected in a system and grounding whenever you need it. Just put your foot down and stay rooted. Okay? Notice your right foot is loose, but your left foot is firm. Hands to the chest so we can keep the energy all in right here. And make sure you're breathing through all this. I know I'm talking, but please make sure that you're breathing in and out through your nose. Okay? Imagine that each of your toes are roots, and they're just reaching down and down and down and down into the earth's core. Firm. Now, take your right leg and you can place it at the bottom. This right here is a beautiful tree. It's nice, it's firm, and you can feel the connection. So right here, let's feel the connection. As you inhale, feel the air and the energy coming from the earth, going through all of your chakras. And as you exhale, imagine it coming out of your crown chakra, coming out of your forehead, out of your head, nice and pure. Just breathing here. You can take your foot up if you like, as far as where your foot is. It's just a matter of challenging your physical self at this point, but you have the thing down, so let me go ahead and get somewhere where the rocks aren't in my foot. If you're going to place your foot up here, do not place it on the knee. That's going to cause damage. Go above the knee. And it's funny, somebody actually said it almost locks in. So lock it in. Hands come to chest. And now we breathe. And again, as you breathe, just be calm. Even though you may go left or right, just be calm. Just breathe and allow yourself this space that you have now. This is your space. Then you can go ahead and release that foot and do the other foot. So again, be grounded first. Make sure your foot is nice and strong. It's not wobbly. Be like a tree. Placing your foot back up. Now, You can also, there's so many options you can do with this. For one, you can actually hold your foot if you like. Did you know that? Yes, you can hold your foot right here and do this. You can tuck your foot and you can lean back if you like. Honestly, this isn't ideal for this, but you now know how to do the tree pose. And every time you do the tree pose, you're gonna feel more grounded, you're gonna feel less anxious, and you're gonna feel more connected to your goals and to whatever community that you form. Thank you for joining us on the first of many episodes of the foundational series of True Clarity Wellness YouTube channel.